Violence everywhere. We see for Diamond Appiah or the no ababe share a delay. Any a fear Schwarzenegger and sense a son say a fear Schwarzenegger. And for now, let's go straight to old times when a fear Schwarzenegger any delay a shall say juma in their a fear Schwarzenegger series. Yanko Shemba.
Ona de me fin kokko. E ba nkan ase e pa yuma mame. Wo de me fie koto so e ko tena so. Enye nkokko ba nkan. Na Ghana for dey bit me kasa. You say things you don't even know. Ona di delay ba ase. Na me de mani atu Yesu so wetu mi no. Any Christo sumi at this time de me hwa korom. Esa nka me jinja wani so. Ama yem koso nyina adwiregu. Saka bio. Come again. Onkasa. Me try onkasa. You're lucky if I be home. I won't do this video. Onkasa.
I video no about say Jade Paul's TV there. What dear now there some concern any kasa de bema there. Ya we hye na dia bro. Inti some video na yakọ share no. Eye ebra afia Schwarzenegger any delay e sha say eye adwuma. Yenkọ achiri. Inti according to Odi Tornado no. Delay epiki afia Schwarzenegger from the gutters. Ena ohun se talent woni munti no. Odi no twa eye afia Schwarzenegger series no. Now ebra afia Schwarzenegger eba into sa scene no mu no. Na ni din ankasa je abina mother sa na omoka nti sa din afia no eye delay ankasa ni din e no de Schwarzenegger no etato which is series no edin a ode ma no e na aka afia Schwarzenegger so aba besin there because ono e na eye lead character no. Now in the particular series na ye hwe ne excepts no na eye delay eye afia Schwarzenegger ne boss nti na ye amanfo ka say once their boss always their boss. Now, after say Omutra sa series no, what Odi Tornado is saying ne say one delay any Afia Schwarzenegger eye adwuma. Na Afia Schwarzenegger any ono Odi Tornado no eye adwuma no ema delay. But delay entia omoka for 6-7 years. They say we use omo. Wa ma omo enya omo services no eso mfa so. Right. Inti eba asa no omoni ne ejai adwuma ye ena sesia no ntawantawadie aba beda omuntemti ho ena ntokwa no efri eba enti ebra delay ene afia Schwarzenegger beef no enya ne ye enam eye chema wuntumi radio saga nsensem ne ho no na tese amanfo target Odi Tornado say onka bi ewo asem nimu ana eho ena Odi Tornado edi video bi ba ya o make sa revelation no. Odi Tornado.
Delay is not my friend. Delay is not my friend, and she knows it. I've always told you, we need to love with you 6-7 years. She never paid me, and we are not in cool terms. And she's pretending nothing happened. And I go on with my life. Me mama ya we delay nyana down for me, and nyana nyonko me. We used to be friends. We worked, and she cheated me. She cheated me, and I this party and obi akone we.
Odi Tornado releases that same way to was say Kim. And a Diamond Appiah, boss lady. Also must say Kria. I was here for Yentie near Diamond Appiah. A troye one Instagram story. A fast as same way in return to shading a year delay. That is Dolores Frimpong Manson. Or saying a boss lady does not pick people from the gutter. Use them. Don't pay them, and out of anger and frustration, they become a menace and a nuisance in the society, screaming like mad dogs in economy to get the attention of the elite in first class. Boss ladies employ and pay over 60 people monthly in multiple businesses with no single employee complaining not being paid before. Ebusiafo sa same way ena Diamond Appiah boss lady ehu Odi Tornado nensema ode beto ho etire no otroye just to throw shades at Dolores Frimpong Manson na enu echi no mobeka ya over the weekend ena chairman wuntumi edi nkunim regional elections a NPP4 asesi a oda swara chairman Emma Ashanti region na delay congratulating no Emma chairman wuntimi krampo e kan ye say delay ayade pa say otimi ebo wuntimi radio no ama etimi ekọ nanim na etumi ka fa say anoma akode a che say one delay ni nyinkra we ena eye Diamond Appiah senjina so ojina so na before making kind Diamond Appiah nsem no yenko hwe delay ene ne boss chairman wuntumi
man yemochi nkwa
that's delay
na wuntumi we no so hu ne say hu ne say
wuntumi radio any movement TV there one delay no what they are too many kapa as say akra wa mo bia ho popo
inti enko so ho
etikoso oya there thank you so much
chairman
thank you so much say will be a delay I was 95.9
onyame nsa wo
enti Dolores Frimpong Manson one ne boss chairman wuntumi na ekotie omonko twetwe no eba enu enti sasem we nso Diamond Appiah boss lady ejina so etro nsem ni bi nso etoto mane eye delay na ese ontokwa no sezi akwampo no anya between delay ni efiasrase ne gabi mu eye Diamond Appiah aba so asem no kintene just say wadan me I don't mean never referee na say lead eyi hey was asem no was asem no eye ne dia but that's what I've been asking myself and then Diamond Appiah andaji no oni delay ewa asem ana well yawo Ghana yebehu but mami kan sama ottomani delay or saying real madams like Shirley Frimpong Manson, who started as a radio presenter at Radio Gold years back, didn't go back to work for local radio stations in 2022. She is busy producing blockbuster from Netflix, and none of her actors used over the years is a nuisance cause they were well paid and not angry and frustrated in the society. Shirley is your mate in radio. How far audio, madam? Intinache say, Shirley Frimpong Manson ena Diamond Appiah boss lady edene to delay hono. Say oneni nyina esha say ejuma ewo radio mu at the same time. Inti den ena say si ade Shirley Frimpong Manson progress in her movie career as a producer. Na obia en complaining say oni na ye adwuma da ontua ne ka na enso ne ono friend ho say boss of all bosses, madam and the presenter of all presenters are all high class say o chen obia na oye obia boss no ono de wasia call back to working for somebody forgetting say chema wuntumi ankasa enokopa na cho well in 2011 I want to explain to you why I offer no audio, madam. In 2011, no, Aisha Modi, na doing say person or venture into business. Na sa business, no say obeton moi, on name brand, no say Modi's Rice. It's not was say delay interview no. Na before the interview, and I say during the interview, no, near a see no, Diamond Appiah, assign the aba. Ka we dear sister. Manenkwe wan kan an wo delay nkwa on odibi wo Aisha Modi ekeka krampo kan ho say Aisha Modi sa ne audio bi na oye baaye no there say delay na audio ni ma na ne ma asem ewo ho no mame kan sa post no so emma or say the difference between a boss lady and audio madam. A boss lady doesn't manage people's macro business. She goes to the factory to manufacture branded and unbranded products and has been doing that since 2014. Oh, I forgot to add that when the boss lady went to Audio Madam's interview in 2011 at somebody's night club, cause Madam don't own a studio, she drove there in her customized serve. As young as she was still a boss and has always been their boss since childhood. They all learn to copy from her secretly and openly. What is Diamond Appiah trying to say? Obi akọ obi pub na wakọ interviewer. Does that concern you? Just our patch say for that long time a delay our system nimuna offer no say madam ne dey at least she should own a studio. Maybe she doesn't want to have a studio of her own. What is your problem? Abusiafo sa same way nyina see ye no. Delay, I'm sure say who can ye. Into ono so e prepare nyom nice one what title no Borla Bird. Say nsem a eye Diamond Appiah e kan nyina one ne ya adwen wo ye Borla Bird wo ye San Trophy wo ye Sansan Kroma one wo ya adwen yengoti ne nyom
me ba no obi hia me gate na no se delay wo ye vim girl Sansan Kroma me ne ya adwen San Trophy me ne ya adwen Abronoma me ne ya adwen Borla Bird me ne ya adwen Borla Bird me ne ya adwen enum ne tanka so no nyina me ne ya adwen o mu nyina koye ngita o menim me ne ya adwen owo so adopter means so akokre me twimi tie se articulate Appiah kuma se kan so me ne ya adwen afia bubu maba me ne ya adwen tiko bi anko reverse me ne ya adwen edue ba shoe talking me ne ya adwen na kokko due me ne ya adwen oba chepe bia me ma ne due ya ba na ni aba matu fafa ya branka se sekete ada afia papa bi me ne ya adwen anoma akode me ne ya adwen Menene ya dream.
Enti na delay so the reply odi ama Diamond Appiah boss lady no. Sana no me catch us sound tokwa we. Ensi he. Ensi yen so de men so de me nyanyan ho asem ka etokwa me de bebro. Me ma kwa baba Freedom Fashion. O nkwa ene na ewo se wo sha atade. Na atade enso de ewo se ekasa. Open fashion blogger ebema amanfo account ade ho asem ja kwan paso. Ene na Freedom Fashion pam mane merma Ankara style bia bi. Merma kaftan show ne fem. Ene ne ekeka ho a edimu. Ontuma atare na Freedom pamama wonso no. Obetumi de ntuma krona bi aye bag ya efe. Freedom ye ahwene bag. Ahwene mpaboa ne ahwene komade enso eka ho. Wo fie ne asori ayefro atade no nso. Se wo pese dance no na eye fe na efata wonso a. Ene na me kanfo Freedom Fashion dia mawo. Oye obi a wonso wanije ntade pap ne ne yobia ho a opese wusua so a. Freedom wa botra ode be mawo anim ne animu ankrakra nkyerechire. Na wo mfiri ne nchen no. Na Freedom juma bi a odi no wonso wutimi edibi. Yatena ye ewo oyibi Cass Valley. Madina dodo wa kwan so. Se wo free Madina eko oyibi a ye wo wonsa left so na se ofri oyibi eko Madina so a ye wo wonsa right so praying was 0543838 and now say any nkita ho Facebook at Freedom Fashion. Freedom Fashion say fashion is life. Obisia for me din e di AB Safoa Kentimpo Mameda Freedom Fashion ase say wasomase afin so na Nasari Broadcasting Solution or also say open sound honiama na top and I say wo pese wo ye studio say radio and I say TV and I say mpo wa we are sorry open setup a wo de be online streaming na me pacho freno was 02488685560 abusiafo medimu AC he ya ye besin ehia bio makra